All right. Well, first of all, yes, I am a cancer survivor. And when I underwent chemo, and I underwent quite a bit of it, I was promised that I would have thick curly hair. All of my hair would return and maybe even then some, which made the idea of going through chemo and losing your hair a little more palatable. Unfortunately, my hair did not come back. Maybe a third of it came back. And as you can tell, I'm all about the hair. And so what did my friends think? Well, they love me. So at first they said, "Linda, you look great." But then I would see a photograph and I could tell I didn't. It wasn't me. And so when you don't feel like yourself, part of your confidence goes away. So actually one of my book club friends came to Transitions a couple years before and was worried about her thinning hair. But when she came, she was told that she shouldn't worry yet. Maybe in a while she could think about it, but she was so impressed with how considerate the people at Transitions were. And she said, "Why don't you go and see what they have to offer?" And so that's what I did. And I was really nervous. I did not pursue this probably for a couple years after I actually had chemo. And so I was feeling quite inferior in terms of how I looked. And my job requires that I be in front of people all the time. So that wasn't good either. So I came to visit Transitions, and what they did for me, as you can see, what you all did, made me me again. And my husband, I remember when I came home after my first visit here, when I actually had the hair system, and I walked into the house and my husband looked at me and said, "Oh my God, Linda's back." So you gave me my life back to some extent, to a great extent. And I never looked back, so I will be here forever. Thank you.